I'm making a fortune teller today. Fortune teller? Yeah. So you're gonna fold your paper like this. Fold your paper like that, and this little rectangle, you're gonna cut it off. So get your scissors and colors. Make sure you have those, and cut. After you cut it, you're gonna put your scissors to the side, and then you're gonna do this. And this line that, as you could see, you're gonna take this tip and put it down to the other tip on the line, and then crease it. See? See? And then this extra little line, you could fold it into a triangle and do that. And then, yeah. And then it makes like a little kite. And then you're going to take every single one of these tips on the 4 tips at the end. You're going to take them and fold them into the middle. So let me just do that. You're going to do this. You're going to fold it into the middle line like that, and then crease it. Do the same with all the other tips. And then you should have something like this. You should have something like this. Then you're going to flip it over, and you should have 4 squares. Then you just do the same as you did with this side. Let me fix this side. You get the tips like this, and you fold the tips into the middle like this. Let me try do this with one hand. I have to hold it. So get the thing like this and fold it in like that. So I don't know if you can see it, but this gets folded to the middle. You get the corner and you fold it towards the middle, and then you crease it just like that. And you do the same with all the other sides. So. Oh well. And then you'll have something like this. Then, sorry if that's a little bit of a mess. I spilled my Coca-Cola on it. And then you're gonna flip this over, and you should have 4 little pockets like this. Then you're gonna fold it in half on this line, and then fold it again. So, show you. Fold it like this. Just like this, fold it in half. Like that. Then you fold it again like this and have a little square, and then unfold it. And you see, whenever you unfold it, you're going to get these little corners and push them in like that. Then you're going to open it and you get the pockets on the back, and you're going to stick your fingers in them like this. And then do the same. Put these 2 fingers, you put your thumb, your pointer finger inside of them, and the same fingers on this hand. Then you have a fortune teller. Now I'll show you how to color it. So you get a pencil, very important, and you write words on it. So you flip it over to these little pockets, and you write any words you want. So I'm going to write bye. I'm going to write hi. I'm going to write yo. And I'm going to write girl. messy, and it's gonna have to look like this. You could write any words you want on it. I just decided to write these words, and then you flip it over and you mark lines with your pencil to see which numbers you're gonna put on it. So the lines that you marked, the 4 lines you marked with your pencil, you're gonna draw number 2, number 1. That's already a number 1, so I'm gonna leave it. Then number 3, and then number 4, and then you're gonna need your colors for this. So then you're gonna grab your pencil bag and pick 4 colors out of it. I'm gonna pick orange, red, but not orange. Pick the colors you could spell. Red, and I'll be back to you when I get my colors. I'm back. So I have my 4 colors. Make sure you know how to spell them. This is perfect. Sorry, I thought this was great. I'll be back when I find my 3rd color. Okay, so I couldn't find gray, but I just got a normal pencil. I know I could have just used this, but this is more gray. So I have my 4 colors I'm gonna use, and the lines that and this little triangles that I didn't mark, I'm gonna color. So I'm gonna get my gray. It's kind of hard. Get my gray and color it. This doesn't matter how you color it as long as you color it. Messed up a little bit, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna write gray on it. So you're gonna push down. Don't push down when you're coloring it, because then you won't be able to see the words. So gray. There. Now this one. Okay, we're gonna put that back. Now you're gonna use the green or whatever color you want to use next. So then you're gonna get the green or the color. You're gonna get your colors and you're gonna color it exactly like you colored that one, and spell green on the color. Spell not green on every color, but spell the color that you're coloring. So I'll be back. So you color it and then spell the word inside of it, just like this. Now you're going to do the same over here, but not with the same color. You're going to use your other colors, so I'll be back to you. I know I spelled brown probably wrong, but yeah, okay. So you spell your stuff like pink, green, and gray, and then you just fold it back up. So you do this, and then, hold on, let me just pause so I can fold it. You just fold it back into your little square and put it in your pocket. But in my case, I have pajamas on, so I can't do that. But now I'll show you how the trick works. But you need still one more thing, so keep that pencil out. So you're gonna have this, right? So you're gonna have this, right? So then you unfold it and you put your fingers in the little pockets like this. Don't put it in your mouth. I just needed to do that because. So if it's a little messed up on the bottom, it's okay as long as it's not getting stuck and you followed my instructions. So then you're gonna have this and you're gonna be like, pick a word. Okay, for instance, somebody picked girl, so I'm gonna spell girl. Girl. Then you landed on colors, right? And have them pick a color. Great. Grey, and then there's a number. So they pick a number, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and then they land on colors again. And you say pick a color. They pick pink, and you get pink and brown, and you unfold it, and there will be this little flap. And you're gonna unfold every single one of these, but not when you're doing the trick. You just unfold one, but while you're making it, you unfold every single one of these, and you write a dare in it, or you could write a fortune in it, but I'm gonna do dare, so I'm gonna do this. Do the splits Okay, I put do the splits. Now, what else am I going to put? I could put anything I want. You could put anything you want too. I'm going to put do the splits. Yao. Sorry. Okay, Yao football. Yao football. Just there, you know. Then you're gonna put something like, I don't know, maybe they could get you like a bag of chips or something, but if they don't want to do it, don't make them do it. Just saying. But you're gonna put like, give me a candy, or put whatever you want. I'm just gonna put what I want. So I'm gonna put pull your own hair. Okay, now I'm gonna put maybe like take your shoe off. Okay, now you could put your pencil away. Now you're gonna just fold it back up exactly in the little square. And just fix that real quick. And you're gonna fold it into your little square, and then you walk up to a person like this. Hey, do you want to try my fortune teller? And they're like, yeah. So then I call it a dare teller because it scares, but you could call it a fortune teller. So, and remember, excuse my hair, I just woke up. So then you're just gonna pick one. So I'm gonna like do it how I did. So buy, B-E-Y. And then number 1. If you land on number 1, then you're gonna pick one. Okay. So now there's colors. So pick a color. Pink. P-I-N-K. Now you land on colors again. I'm not saying you land on colors again. You can land on anything that you land on. You're gonna have them pick another color, green. Then you're gonna get green and gray, or whatever colors you have. You're gonna lift that up, and it's take off your shoe. So you're gonna tell them take off your shoe. And I hope you like my fortune teller, and I will see you in the next craft. Bye.